What's up, guys? It's Max.
I'm Kaylee.
I'm Luke.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Julian.
I'm Lauren.
I'm Angel.
And I'm Lexi, and we're nutritious, delicious, bringing nutrition to your household. And today we're going to be making Tutti Frutti Pops, and these are one of my favorite healthy summer treats for on a hot day. So come along with me, and I'm going to show you how to make them. And so first, some of the things that you'll need are a cutting board, some tin foil, you'll need some fruit. I'm using blueberries and strawberries, but you can use whatever you want. Some cups to make your popsicles in, or whatever mold you have at your house. Some juice. I have fruit punch and lemonade, but again, this is up to you. Something to stick in your popsicles. I'm using plastic forks, but you can use any kind of stick. And lastly, a knife, and if you're younger, make sure to ask your parents before using the knife. All right, so our first step is going to be to wash our fruit. So I'm gonna come over here to my sink and wash my blueberries. Did you guys know that blueberries are one of the only foods that are naturally blue? I know, crazy. So if you have a bigger fruit, you might need to cut it. So for example, my strawberry here, I'm going to show you guys how to cut it. So first thing that you want to do is you want to cut off the end, and from there you're going to cut it into slices. Make sure to be careful of your fingers. With these slices, I'm going to cut them into cubes, make them nice and small for our Fruity Pops.
Alright guys, after having Lauren prep our ingredients, we mixed it together in this bowl, and then now we can put it into our ice pop cups. So first we're going to start with 1 cup, be a little generous with the fruit, and then now we're going to put into the second cup. Yes, get all the fruit you can, as much as you want, it doesn't matter. Next you're going to get the juice, and first we're going to start with the fruit punch, and then fill it to the top. And then you're going to take your lemonade, and you're going to fill the other cup. Let's get the other cup, and here we go. And then now you're going to put 2 cups next to each other. Okay, now that we have our cups filled up for our ice pops, we're going to get these tiny pieces of tin foil, and we're going to put them on the cups so we're able to secure our sticks, and then they can stay in place while they're in the freezer. The straighter you get them, the better, but it's okay because they're popsicles. Popsicles ready? It's safe to say that we can put these in the freezer to wait.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more nutritious, delicious content.